Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial you will learn how to add or restore feet units of measure in Inkscape. Feet unit of measure is not available in most of the newer versions of Inkscape by default. In order to get the feet in the units list, closely follow the step-by-step instructions carefully. Step 1. Close Inkscape if it is running. Step 2. Go to the location on your computer. This is usually located in the C drive or the place where the Inkscape is installed. Step number 3. Locate the file named units.xml and copy it to the desktop or your preferred location. Step 4. Go to this URL on github.com and copy the code as shown. Step 5. Open the units.xml file using notepad and paste the copied code just below the centimeter units as shown. Remove any extra space, then save and close the file. Step 6. Move the units file back to the Inkscape's UI folder. Then click on Replace the file in the destination if prompted. If prompted for administrator permission, click on Continue. Now launch Inkscape. Now you can notice that the feet unit is listed in the units list. Now let us create a box and try to assign the units for the box in feet. Now you can clearly see that I am able to select feet from the drop down and set the width and height in feet for this box. Dear viewers, I hope that this tutorial is helpful. Take a little time to check out my other Inkscape tutorials as well. I will see you all in my next video with another awesome tutorial. Until then, it's bye from hbninfotech.com.